Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide like count on Instagram Feeds. Easy and quick. If you want to hide it, all you have to do first, just open Instagram Feeds, and now once you're here, just click on your account. So go to your profile and then click these 3 points, select any feed you want and then click these 3 points, and now you will see hide like count. So just click hide like count, and as you see, like count is hidden right now and you can unhide it whenever you want, and that's it. And now just go back and refresh your page to make sure it's hidden. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And if you like this video, and that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.